Hello, language learners. Thank you for joining me. We are on day 9. Congratulations for staying with me, working on this, and establishing the habit on your language journey. So, again, this video, this series is for anyone who's looking to just kind of strengthen their English language skills, their reading skills, and what we do is we say each word, we trace the word, we write the word, and we use the word in a sentence. And then I ask you to use the word in a sentence as well. Where do you get this book? It is on Amazon. Learn to Read with Sight Words by Rosemary Garcia. Today we have 3 words we're covering. We're covering the word each, find, and first. And as always, if you are near a mirror, sit in front of the mirror and just watch how your mouth forms each sound when you say the word. If you have a little mirror, that works fine. Makeup mirror, perfect. Let's get started. All right, I hope you're having a great day. First word we have today is each. Each. E-A-C-H. Each. Now it is our turn to trace the word. I'm going to flip over here, get my red marker, and here we go. Trace the word with me. E-A-C-H. Each. Now we are going to write that word. E-A-C-H. Each. And I'm going to flip over to type in some text here. And we need to write a sentence. So I'm going to write the sentence, each student, E-A-C-H, capital letter because I'm starting the sentence, each student gets a turn to talk. Each student gets a turn to talk. Go ahead and write that sentence. And as always, use this sentence as a framework to try and write your own sentence. Oh, let's take that T out. Each student gets a turn to talk. You can also say each child gets a turn to talk. Each girl gets a turn to talk. So there's a lot of varieties you could use when it comes to writing your sentence. And that is the word each. We are moving on here. Next word of the day is find. Say that with me. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. I am now going to trace it. Trace it with me. Trace it with me. Letter F. I-N-D. That word is find. Now let's write that word. Write this word with me. Write it down. F-I-N-D. Find. Now we are going to use this word in a sentence. Find. Let's find shells on the beach. Capital letter, let's find shells on the beach. Period. Don't forget that period to end your sentence. And again, I'm going to make this a little bigger. I want to make sure you can read it. Please go ahead and write the sentence. Let's find shells on the beach. Let's find shells on the beach. And once you write that sentence, then again, you're going to write your own sentence. So you can pause the video so you can write your own sentence. Let's find shells on the beach. And you can change that out, but use this as a guide for the sentence that you are going to write. And we are moving on to our third word of the day. That word is first. First. Say that with me. First. F-I-R-S-T. We are going to trace that word. So go ahead and move to the box where it says trace the word. And first letter is F, I, R, S, and T. First. Now we are going to write that word. Write this word with me. F, I, R, S, T. First. Now we are going to use this word in a sentence. Remember, we're starting our sentence with a capital letter. We're going to say, he was the first one in line. I'm going to end my sentence with a period. And remember, we start with a capital letter, and I'm just making a statement, so I'm ending with a period. He was the first one in line. I'm going to make that a little more accessible for you. There you go. And again, you're going to write this sentence, and then you are going to write your own sentence. As you see, mine is not perfect, right? But what's important is that we're practicing, that we're saying the word, we're tracing the word, we're writing the word, and we are using the word in a sentence. I'm very proud of you. We're on day 9. And stay with me. We still have many, many, many more pages to go, right? And when you're finished, you're going to have a whole book where you have said all the words, you've traced the words, you've written the words, and you've used the words in a sentence. Very proud of you. Please share with friends, family, subscribe, like it, share it, and I thank you for being with me today, and we are just going to continue our journey together. Have a great day.